nothing ever stays the same. Once you let it change. Hey, let it think it up, let it think. Hey, let it think it up, let it think, let it think.
Hello. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we will make shirataki samyang noodles. This is just gonna be quick and easy, so let's begin. We only need Since our shirataki noodles is already boiled, we will now dry fry it for 3 minutes. Add a little bit of salt. Now, let's add our samyang carbonara sauce. This carbonara sauce only has 20 calories per 1 teaspoon, and since we are using shirataki noodles, this recipe has lesser total calories compared to the normal samyang noodles. We can now add our grated cheese. Mix it well until the cheese melts and we're done. Add some spring onions on top and it's gonna be perfect. It tastes like the real samyang noodles. This is actually a good alternative for our spicy noodle cravings when we are on a low-carb or low-calorie diet. Try it and enjoy. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more easy cooking ideas.